Alright y'all, welcome back. Just wanted to add this in real quick. I learned this kind of from MHP Gardener on YouTube, and it's the Kratky method of hydroponic lettuce. Not going to go into a lot of that. What we have is a 4x8 sheet of 5/8 chipboard. I've just kind of put the 2x6s around it with the 1-inch foam insulation, some holes cut in it, and as you can see, I'm growing a couple different types of lettuce here, and I've just kind of split it out. I'm kind of up above or below a pretty good sized red oak tree, so it rains and you get a lot of water and stuff, and my gosh, we've had some rain here lately. So when I moved this out of the greenhouse, I thought I could just roll some plastic over it, black plastic, and it'd be okay, but that just doesn't work very well. So what I did was kind of built a little mini greenhouse just mainly to keep the water off in it, because it's really just sitting here in my driveway. As you can see, the lettuce is doing pretty well, and I tried something new on this, and I don't know how it'll work. Instead of splitting them out individually, I actually have two plants growing out of that one cup on some of my lettuce, just to see how it would work. Again, right here there's actually two heads of lettuce. I figured, you know, if they'll grow up and they have room, you know, why not grow two in there? If you can grow one, you should be able to grow two. Maybe they won't look quite as pretty, but this is all kind of for my consumption anyways. So anyways, just wanted to give you a quick shot of that and let you see kind of what I did and give you a quick walk around. I just took some 1x2s and stapled some plastic to it, left a little air going so that we could have air flow through it and it wouldn't really knock anything off. But pretty good little setup. If y'all want some lettuce, this is a good way to do it. It's pretty simple.